Come in, everyone. Come in, come in. Good morning to everyone that has just entered our discipline. Welcome to the school of this discipline of young management and development. Right? We study three major topics. That's land survey, urban planning and development, and evaluation. If you guys want to study this next year, please you can feel free to ask any questions to students for review. We have our stakeholders there, Ministry of Lands, Real Estate, Licensing Board, and please feel free to take pictures in our photo booth. We have also models and everything outside. Please, if you have any questions, just ask. Thank you.
After the demand is boundary, they will have to do up there. They are like that. This is like the proposed area. These are some of the things that should come in. Yeah, but we have the app that is already in use. The one that
Kamera mobile. Klik op.
Here you have to use your computer skills. So this is some of the concepts that we propose to our tenants in Nusra if they want to come. So this is a proposed one for FIU. They were looking for a land to to our officer, our drone officer, taken in the lighter zone to go demarcate the one in red, the area, and he had done the proposal. Thank you, Sasha.
Good morning to everyone who just came in. Welcome to the discipline of land management and development. Right, we focus on three areas of study. That's land survey, urban planning and development, and land valuation. If you guys have any questions regarding the study with our stakeholders, that's Ministry of Lands and Development and the TLTV. If you wish to also study this next year, anyone wearing blue is a student rep. We can ask them any sort of question within the scope.